So the other night I was having a discussion about a Bible topic of time in regards to dinosaurs on the earth, the creation of man, and that represented a challenge. And in that discussion, I introduced the biblical word eon, and it's Strong's G165. It's Aeon, spelled A-I-O-N. It's used 128 times in the Bible. The King James translates the Greek word aeon into the English words ever, 71 times, world, 38 times, evermore, 4 times, age, 2 times, and eternal, 2 times. And there's a few more miscellaneous translations. And in the outline of the biblical usage, you will see forever. You'll also see age. It's a perpetuity of time. It's a period of time. It's an age, an earth age. The Greek lexicon will point you to scripture references and usages, but there are 3 world ages, or eons, and the earth is millions of years old. In the topic of the 3 world ages, the first earth age, or what is called the world that was an age and a time before this current age, and it covered millions of years. It was destroyed by God following Satan's rebellion and leading to earth becoming void and without form. You'll find that in Genesis chapter 1, verse 2. The Katabal, or Satan's rebellion, was the end of that first earth age. And it's identified with the disruption that's mentioned there in Genesis chapter 1, verse 2, caused by Satan's fall, and that prompted the destruction. There were dinosaurs in that first earth age, and we have many evidences of that time here with us today. You can go to the museum and see the bones and the fossils, and that destruction of Earth. We have evidence of massive craters, and they show us that there was an age that came and went. It ended prior to Adam. The first Earth age was pre-Adamic. It was the pre-Adamic world. And then we have the second Earth age, which is our current Earth age now. And that started after the destruction of the first. You can call it, this current Earth age, the Adamic age, and there is an important reason to do so, but there were men and women prior to Adam. Genesis chapter 4, verses 16 and 17 declare that when Cain went out of Eden, he went east to the land of Nod, and there he got a wife, had a baby, built a city. And so you begin analyzing these things, and you will ask and answer, where did Cain's wife come from? Why did he need to build a city? And who were all the people who were going to live in this city? Also, you'll begin to understand that God created men on the 6th day and women, and he put them all around the earth. He saw that they were good, and they did have all the various skin tones, white, red, yellow, black. Not all men and not all skin colors came from the bloodline of Adam. Again, Genesis chapter 4, verses 16 and 17 will help you understand there were peoples on the earth along with Adam, Eve, Cain, and Abel. But this age, this time, our present earth age, we could call the Adamic age, which is spiritually huge because the first Adam is the bloodline through which Christ would come. So there's this Adamic component. And there will be a third earth age, the one that's coming after this one, described as eternal, without sin and without offense. Now, the biblical narrative aligns with scientific evidence by placing the billions and millions of years of Earth's history into the first but now destroyed age. Eon represents the longest division of geological time, typically spanning hundreds of millions to billions of years. And just to throw this in, because it's good to know, 2 Peter chapter 3, verse 8, it declares, "Be not ignorant of this one thing, that one day with the Lord is as 1,000 years, and 1,000 years is as one day." Your biblical understanding of time deepens when you dig a little deeper into EONS. Strong's G 165, Aeon.